In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bullet list in Microsoft Excel. Bullet lists are a useful way to organize information, highlight key points, and make your data easier to read. While Excel is mainly designed for numbers and tables, you can still create simple bullet lists to structure your text more clearly. To begin, open your Excel workbook and select the cell where you want to start your bullet list. One of the easiest ways to insert a bullet symbol is by using the Symbol option. Click the Insert tab at the top of the Excel window, then locate and click Symbol in the Symbols group. A dialog box will appear showing many different characters and symbols you can add to your worksheet. In the character code field, type 2022 to quickly locate the bullet symbol. Once the bullet appears in the list, click Insert, and the symbol will be added to the selected cell. After inserting the bullet, click Close to exit the symbol window. Now that the bullet symbol is in the cell, you can type the text for your first item right after it. If you want to create additional bullet points in separate cells, simply repeat the same process by inserting the bullet symbol again in the next cell and adding your text beside it. If you prefer to keep several bullet points inside a single cell, double-click the cell to edit it and place the cursor after your first line of text. Then press Alt plus Enter to create a new line within the same cell. After moving to the next line, insert another bullet symbol and type the next item on your list. Repeat this process for each bullet point you want to include. This method allows you to keep multiple list items organized within one cell while maintaining a clean layout. Using bullet lists in Excel is a simple way to improve readability when working with notes, task lists, or summarized information. Even though Excel does not have a built-in bullet list button like some other programs, inserting bullet symbols manually provides the same visual structure and helps keep your spreadsheet organized. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.